I am Stefano Covezzi. I teach mechanics in this institute and I am the coordinator of the Eco Marathon project. The realization of our vehicle starts in this workshop. The real improvement for us is to use SolidWorks.
I'm a member of this school and the team manager of Team 0C. We compete with our school-built electric prototype in Shell Eco Marathon, an international race that challenges schools around the globe to design, build and drive the most energy-efficient vehicles. This activity is a real opportunity for us to practice all the notions we've learned in school courses.
In our team, we make sure that everyone knows the tasks required to design a component. So every year we set up a design course for rookies to learn the basics of drawing in order to prepare them to work more independently. For me, it was really helpful to begin understanding what's going on inside the car and how I could improve the already existing parts.
From a student point of view, SolidWorks represents a great opportunity to step in the world of design. It's user-friendly, although it has lots of advanced features that make it a highly valuable mechanical, engineering and educational software.
Our competition is one of a kind. We always remember that the winner is not the fastest, but the most energy efficient. So, we want our vehicle to be the smallest, lightest and smoothest running possible.
We defined the shape of the car thanks to the CFD feature in SolidWorks. We started from an initial concept shape that was optimized to find the best fit around the driver's body and at the same time to minimize the aerodynamic drag, which is one of the factors that make us lose energy.
We always have to keep in mind that, as far as it may seem to go slow, it's still a race car, so it has to be stiff and solid enough to withstand the forces that act on the structure during the race. So we took advantage from SolidWorks FEM analysis tools, we simulated our working condition, and we made sure everything was correctly shaped and fully operational.
It's really gratifying for us to see how the students are able to design and virtually test many parts of the project.
We are constantly raising the bar of innovation, pushing forward to a continuous improvement both on personal and professional side, because we are competing against the best universities in the world and we eventually won in 2017. We have the strongest motivation, the best tools for design and the maximum support from our sponsors, especially from Nova Makut. There's nothing more we could ask for.
As a wannabe engineer, I know for sure that in my future I will have to work with some kind of 3D modeling tools, and I know that I'm prepared for that.